Hello and welcome to Learning Office 2016. My name is Mike Henry and I'm going to be the instructor for these videos as we go through this course of Learning Office 2016. These videos will have the same look and feel as we go through them. They'll always start off with our learning objectives. So you can see here we have our learning objectives for this particular video. The first one the first one of every segment, so this is the first one from the segment called Word, will give us an overview of what we're trying to accomplish for the whole 3 chapters or 2 chapters of the segment. So in this case, this video is going to talk about what is Word 2016, why do we even care what Word 2016 is. We're going to take a look at some of the documents that we're going to be doing during our time working with Word, and some of the things that we're trying to accomplish. Inserting photos, using tables, putting in bullet points, and some of the other really cool tools that we're looking at. So what is Word 2016? Word 2016 is a word processor, and it's one that's just recently been upgraded. As a matter of fact, it was upgraded in 2016. It comes from a long history. We've had Word 2013, and then it was Word 2010, 2007, and it goes back through quite a ways. Word has been one of the biggest word processing document creators out there. You are going to find it very hard to get through your career not using Word. Word can be used to create a lot of different styles of documents. You can create a business letter, you can create a basic to-do list, you can create a multi-page research paper, which some of you will be doing as you go through your college career. You can create documents that are interactive, meaning they can be pulling information out of a spreadsheet or out of a database and using that to print out a set of letters with the envelopes that are already pre-labeled for you. So we're not going to get to that level in Word, but we are going to be doing a bunch of different styles of documents. Word 2016 is going to be one of your most important tools as you get through your college career here. For the first chapter, we're going to be creating a flyer that looks a lot like this one here. Now, it's not about creating the flyer, it's about the things that we're going to learn as we create this. One of the things we're going to learn is to create a document right from the start. So it'll be opening up with a brand new blank piece of paper. We're going to learn how to put in text, we're going to learn how to insert a photo, and we're going to learn how to put in some bullet points. Once we've got our text in there, we're going to learn about all these cool things up here that we can do. So we're going to learn about changing the font style. We're going to put in a little bit of word art so we can make the words look a little bit better. We're going to put, as you can see here, a little border around this photo. We've changed some colors, we've bolded some things, we've highlighted some things, underlined it, put some italicizing in here too. So we're going to learn all about the basics, and then we're going to obviously save the document and print it if need be. As we move on into Chapter 2, we're going to learn about this style of document, which is something that you probably will do here at your time at the college, called an MLA style document. This is where I'm creating a research paper and I want to be able to cite my sources. And most college courses require an MLA style or an APA style. We're going to be doing MLA style in this class. So there's a setup of how the names will be, where your name, the teacher's name, and the class's names will be. You'll see that all paragraphs will be indented, they'll be double spaced, the title will always be in the center right in the beginning, and we'll also see that when you do cite a source, you can see right here, as I put my pointer on here, it turns it a grayish color. We'll be able to see that we've cited different sources. Now, this is very useful because if I'm reading this paper and I go, wow, this is very interesting stuff here, I'd really like to hear more from Carter and Smits, what I can do is scroll down to the last page, go to my Works Cited page, and right here I can find the Carter and Smith document when it was published, and I could go look that up and read the entire document for myself. So this is citing through an MLA style. We also have another way to cite work. You can see here this one is being cited differently. This has a number 1 right here at the end of the paragraph. When I put my pointer on it, it tells me something about that. And if you read that, you'll notice it's the same as right here, because this is using a footnote to cite the source. So we're going to look at 2 different ways to cite a source using MLA, or we'll also look at a footnote. And then when we move into chapter 3, we're going to be looking at another style of document. This is just a straight business letter. And what we're looking at to learn in this one is we're going to first start by creating some letterhead. After we create some letterhead, we're going to create a line right across there to break up the letterhead from the letter. We'll learn about creating a good business style letter, and you'll see that we're also going to go back and do some of those bullets. Most importantly, right in here you can see this area that's colored blue. You can see when I put my pointer here, it gives me this little thing, and this is telling me I'm working with a table. A table is an incredible way to present information rather quickly and concisely. It helps you organize things, it helps you put things in. It also helps the end user to be able to quickly find the information they want versus having to read through paragraph after paragraph after paragraph of information just to find a particular date and location for the healthy cooking class. So you can see how quickly I can find that. So these are the kind of documents we're going to be playing with this semester. At the end of each of these videos, I will always review the learning objectives, what we went through, and make sure I can clear up any things that might have been a question. So we looked at what Word 2016 is. We found out that that is a word processor or a document creator that we're going to be using. We're going to be using it through this class, and we're also going to be using it through our college and work history. So we know that we now need to care about learning this one. We learned a little bit about the kind of documents we're going to be creating over the next couple of chapters from Word, and some of the key things we're going to be doing, like inserting photos, tables, creating letterhead, putting bullets in there. We're going to learn about all the cool things like bolding, italicizing, underlining, and editing things quite a bit.